Big Bang Geology channel. So today our class is on telegram quiz explanation. So first question is, the sand dunes with their long axis transferred to the wind direction is known as. Long axis transferred to the wind direction is known as. This is the question. Here is the four options. First one is sand sheets, second one is bar chance, third one is parallel dunes, fourth one is longitudinal dunes. So which is the correct answer in these four? So option A, sand sheets. What is sand sheets? Sand sheets are the flat and gently undulated. Flat sheets are the gently undulated plots of the sand surfaces. Sand sheets are the parallel and gently undulated plots of the sand surfaces. They form 40%. They are formed 40% of the 40%. They are 40% of the aeolian deposition areas. They are formed 40% of the aeolian deposition areas, and then they need a large grain size, and sand size is very large, and wind velocity is low. They are formed in sand size is large and wind velocity is low. So this is not suitable to this question. So this is the wrong answer. Next, parallel dunes. What is parallel dunes? Parallel dunes are the long and straight dunes. Which in the wind direction. Which are the wind direction? Wind direction. Parallel dunes are the long and straight dunes which are parallel to the wind direction. So these winds are formed in moderate sand supply and wind blowing in same direction. Wind is blowing in same direction. So this is also not correct answer. Parallel dunes. So parallel dunes are also not correct answer. So D, longitudinal dunes. What is longitudinal dunes? Longitudinal dunes, the dunes which are elongated with the wind direction is called longitudinal dunes. The dunes which are elongated in the wind direction are called the longitudinal dunes. Longitudinal dunes. Not suitable this question. So option D is also wrong answer. So finally, bar chance. What is bar chance? Bar chance are the crescent shaped. Bar chance are the crescent shaped series. Bar chance are the, you can see here, bar chance are the crescent shaped. Bar chance are the crescent shaped dunes which are in the direction of the wind direction. Which are in the direction of the wind direction. These are horns or wings. Bar chance are found where wind direction is unidirectional. Wind is unidirectional. So where bar chance are found, wind is unidirectional. So this is the, because of these are the, so what in this question asked, the sand dunes with their long axis transfer to the wind direction. Long axis or transfer to the wind direction is called bar chance. So B, option B, bar chance are the correct answer. So Which of the following is a mineral? You need to know about the definition of the mineral. If you know definition of mineral, it is very easy. Very easy. So option A water, option B steel, option C mercury, option D halite. So here water is not mineral and steel is metal, mercury is a planet. So final option, if you can easily eliminate these three, water, steel, mercury, so you can final option is D, halite is the mineral. So next third question. Most of the groundwater in hard rocks present in the. So here is the three options: pores, A pores, B intergranular spaces, C cracks and joints. So only sediment rocks have the pores to store the water or allow the water to the rock. So these are the hard rocks. Hard rocks doesn't have the pores because of the rock compacted grain structure, compacted grain. So pores is the wrong answer. Next, intergranular spaces. Intergranular spaces means space between each grain or grain to grain. This is the packing. So this you can see space between the grain and grain is called intergranular spaces. So these spaces does not have hard rocks because of hard rocks are compacted grains. There is no space to allow water or anything. So intergranular spaces are also wrong answer. Next, cracks and joints. Cracks and joints. Third option. So this is the right answer. Why? You can see example igneous granite. If there is a weathering or exfoliation in granite, there is a cracks and joints because of starving and heat because of there is a cracks and joints in granite. Example granite, there is a cracks and joints in granite rock because of cracks and joints in granite because of continuous heat and cool, continuous face the cool and heat weathers. So the granite rock give, example granite rock give cracks and joints. So these joints have present the groundwater. These joints and cracks present the groundwater. So cracks and joints is the store the groundwater in hard rocks. So this question is also clear. 50%, only 50% students give the right answer to. Next, fourth, a crystal form having only one face. A crystal form having only one face is called option A, pyramid, B, basal pincoid, C, pedion, D, prism. Which one is the correct answer in these four options? Okay, let's go. Pyramid have 5 faces. So this is the wrong answer. Basal pincoid have 2 faces. So this is also wrong answer. Prism have 6 faces. So this is also wrong answer. So only C option C. Pedion have only one face. So this is the right answer. This question also so many people give wrong answer. So please correct that. So next fifth question is obsidian is composed of, fifth question, obsidian is composed of. So first of all, obsidian is a volcanic extrusive volcanic rock. So this is composed of entirely of glassy material. So this is the obsidian. So here is the four options. Entirely option A, entirely of crystals. So A option is wrong. So C, mixture of glass and crystals. So C option is wrong. So D, all size of crystals. So no, not this is also wrong answer. Answer B, entirely of glass material. So this is the B answer is the correct. Obsidian is composed of entirely of glass material only. So this is the Telegram explanation quiz. So these are the 5 questions. I think this video is useful to you. Then like and subscribe. Please share with your friends. Thank you.